Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding PhD admission in one of IIT for full-time and part-time both for spring semester 2021-22. So IIT Roorkee has published the notification for PhD full-time and part-time program for the spring semester 2021-22. So here you can see they have two campus. One is the main campus is at Roorkee in Uttarakhand, and second one is 50 km away at Saharanpur, and third is in Greater Noida, UP. Means it has three campuses for which they have published the notification for PhD program. One is at main campus, and second Saharanpur, and third one is Greater Noida. The date, important dates you can see, starting of online application from September 30, and last date it is October 15, 2021. We have to apply online only, and no hard copy will be submitted. There are various category of PhD students in which you can apply. One is full-time research scholar, in which further there are three category. First one, institute assistantship research scholar, second externally funded research scholar, and C, in service external research scholar. In institute assistantship you will be provided 31,000 fellowship, and in externally funded research scholar, in that UGC or CSIR will or Government of India will be funded to you for pursue PhD program. And next one, part-time research scholar. In that also there are two category: in service internal research scholar, in service external research scholar. Means internal research scholar means they have maybe they are working in IIT Roorkee and they can apply, and external means outside IIT Roorkee. If you are employed, then you can apply for pursue your PhD for that. Regarding common minimum eligibility criteria, your master degree with minimum CGPA 6 on 10-point scale or 60% marks for general EWS or OBC category. For SC/ST it is relaxed by 5% or 0.5. Postgraduate degree in basic science or graduate or postgraduate degree in professional courses selected through process described through any one of following. Scholars who are selected through National Eligibility Test, UGC NET, including lectureship, and GATE, the selection process through national level examination conducted by MHRD and its agency and institutes such as UGC, IIT, IISc, IISER, etc. For candidate other than central funded technical institute, BTech, BArch, B Pharma degree, here you can see it is common. So in that for other than centrally funded technical institute, BTech or BArch, B Pharma degree with GATE, GPAT, NET score marks and minimum CGPA 7.5 or 75% marks, then you can apply. Or if you are a graduate from CFTI, the minimum CGPA requirement is 7 or 70% marks. Hence if you are applying after master degree, then you must have 60% marks for general EWS and OBC, and if you are applying after BE BTech and having valid GATE score, then you must have CGPA 7.5 or 75% marks. If there is conversion, then you have to submit the that format. Requirement of GATE, GPAT, JRF, NET score is not applicable to candidate in ISERS or PISIARS or PISERS. Means ISERS means you can see from here, ISERS means in service external research scholar. If you are applying for that in service external research scholar, then there is no requirement of GATE, and for both part time also there is no requirement of GATE. Bachelor or masters from IIT with CGPA 8 and above are exempted from requirement of GATE, GPAT, JRF or NET score. Candidate pursuing master program in engineering or architecture planning in IIT Roorkee have CGPA 8.5 and above shall have a choice of lateral entry to PhD program after completing first 2 semesters of master program. Means if you have completed first year in MTech and having CGPA 8.5, then you can directly join PhD program. And if you have MBBS or BTS degree from Indian university or institution shall have minimum CGPA 6 in the qualifying degree, they are exempted from GATE, GPAT or JRF or NET requirement. If you have master degree in surgery, MD degree from Indian university or institute are exempted from minimum CGPA as well as GATE, GPAT, JRF or NET requirement. Candidate with medicine degree from overseas university or institute should have qualified for a medical graduate examination conducted by an NBA. Then candidate with overseas citizen of India or person of Indian origin status will be treated at par with Indian national in general category. Candidate who fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria as minimum in the section 4.4 on the last date of application should only apply. Candidate under OBC, non-creamy layer, EWS category must submit a copy of valid certificate issued after 31st March 2021 as per Government of India issued by competent authority. There may be given format, in that link you have to click. Additional information to in-service external research scholar and part-time research scholar. At the time of registration, the candidate should have at least 2 years experience. Means for both in-service external research scholar and part-time research scholars, you must have 2 year experience in any government or semi-government or public sector undertaking, ICT or EGC recognized educational institute or a registered company with annual turnover of more than 20 crores. They should have permission from employer for pursuing PhD program with adequate leave of absence to complete the coursework requirement. The requirement of leave of absence is waived off for candidate working within 100 kilometer of institute. Candidate in PISIRS category should in addition be regular employee to the institute. Minimum educational requirement qualification for admission to PhD program in different department and centers. You can see here for Roorkee campus there are different programs like architecture and planning. For that you must have bachelor degree in architecture or planning followed by master degree in any specialization, or bachelor degree in civil engineering followed by master degree in any specialization of planning. For that individual specialization they have individual eligibility criteria. Civil also they have the individual, chemical, chemistry, computer science, design. These all are the departments where you can apply for PhD. Electronics communication, earthquake, earth science, electrical, humanity social science, hydrology, hydro and renewable energy, management studies, then mathematics, mechanical and industrial, metallurgy and material, physics, then water resource development and management, then Center for Transportation, Institute Instrumentation Center, disaster mitigation and management, nanotech, artificial intelligence and data science. In Saharanpur campus they have different specialization like applied science and engineering, paper technology, polymer and process engineering. Application fee they are taking 200 for general and EWS or OBC category and 100 for SC, ST or PD category. Course fee structure in this link you can click and see. Instruction for online application. You must have submit your form before 15th of October 2021. You have to submit these all certificates: soft copy of color photograph up to 500 KB, signature 500 KB, category certificate up to 5 MB, 10th mark sheet up to 5 MB, 12th certificate diploma and mark sheet in single up to 5 MB, bachelor degree or provisional or consolidated mark sheet up to 5 MB. So these all are required up to 5 MB. The process: first you have to register, then log in, fill the application form. Where I have, this is Saharanpur campus. Then you have to fill the form, then submit. After that you download the application for future record. Selection criteria is purely based on merit. Selection process shall be conducted online. A stipulated date for written test or interview shall be communicated by concerned department or center to the shortlisted candidate. Simultaneously, the date shall be uploaded in the portal of each department and center also. Prescribed qualification and experience are minimum required, and the mere fact that candidate possesses the same will not entitle him or her for being called for interview. Means they can set their own criteria also. Department and center of the reserve the right to restrict the number of candidates to be called for interview to a reasonable number on the basis of qualification and experience. Provision exists to apply in one or more department or center. Accordingly, a candidate can submit his or her application for in one or more department, means in through single online application. By single form you can apply for different department. All the entries should be carefully made while applying online. Must fill correct CGPA according to rule. Online application submitted by candidate shall be considered final and binding. Any changes will not be made. So that's all about yeah, that's all. So you must share with your friends this important information, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.